Hey everyone, welcome to the channel Trading Simplified. When I first started this channel, I was posting my day trading experiences, and then it started to grow into much more. I'm going to show you everything that I have to offer on here, starting with the free playlist first. Within the playlist tab, you will gain access to my Fidelity index funds, ETFs, and investments, where I go through a bunch of different funds. I do that as well for Vanguard investments. I also have investing basics for beginners. I go into my day trading P&L of 2023, 2024, where I made over $80,000, 2025, where I'm currently up over $55,000 year to date. I have my Fidelity Active Trader Pro setup if you want to learn how to set up and day trade. And I also offer exclusive membership access where you gain special perks. Within this, there are 3 tiers, and I'll break that down for you. Under the membership offer, there are 3 tiers. We have a trading supporter for $1.99 where you gain access to loyalty badges, emojis, priority reply to comments, member shoutouts, and members only live streams. If you want to step it up a notch to Trading Core, it's $4.99 where you gain exclusive weekly watch list of stocks that I'm watching, a 25% discount to my WAP trading community, and portfolio updates on my Fidelity and Gemini crypto portfolios. If you want to go Trading Elite, that is $9.99 where you get to learn my day trading strategies, videos exclusive just to you. And if you decide to join my WAP, you will gain a 50% discount. I wanted to take the time to show you what a Trading Elite gains access to. You gain access to members first videos, members only posts, the loyalty badges, the priority reply to comments, members shoutouts, members only live streams, exclusive weekly watch list of the stocks I'm trading, and that sweet WAP trading community discount, as well as the Fidelity and Gemini crypto portfolio. You'll be the first to watch how I use my RSI strategy to make $2,000 in 10 minutes, my YouTube portfolio with Fidelity and crypto, my trading plan, my ultimate dip buying approach, and as you scroll down, you will see more members only posts as well to gain access and improve your trading experience. Check it out. I wanted to take a moment to say thank you to my members that are supporting the channel. If you want to join, you click this link right here. Also, be sure to check out the 6 more links. Within this, you can click Become a Member to join the YouTube channel. If you want to join the investing community, my WAP is included right here as well. So definitely go through the links, and I appreciate you guys checking out the channel and taking the time.